All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of 123 Precise Solutions Computer Repairs. As you can see here, we have this is a Chromebook. Let me see what's the model number for this one. This one's going to be 14-AX010WM. Well, anyways, I will put it to the description. This customer said that he broke the screen. So I just got it today. I'm just gonna show you how to remove the screen to order. Okay, this is an easy one. So we're just gonna go and you see, grab one of these bright tools. You can get it from eBay. I can leave the description on my video a link how to purchase these tools. Okay, we just have to do this. Okay. All right. Just gotta go under here. Careful on this part right here because it has a tape on the back. So you gotta be careful. There you go, see? So now you remove the front vessel. Let me just put on this side here. Okay, so he has 1 and 2, 3 and 4 little screws in there. Let me just grab one of my tools here, one of my screwdriver. Gotta remove one. There you go. You gotta be careful. Do not lose any of these screws. Okay, that's one there. Let me just get the other one here. I gotta get a screw that has magnet on it so I can grab these little screws. Okay. So this is gonna be the third one. Let me see if I can grab one of my tools here. It has a magnet on it. Let me see, this one does. Yep, this one does. Okay. And the last one here. And let me grab the one that has the magnet on it. Okay. All right, so I believe it's here. There you go. All right, perfect. So now we remove all the screws on the screen. So we're just gonna grab the pry tool here. We're gonna go behind the screen. Just be careful because I believe I removed the wrong one. Just be careful with this, okay? Just make sure you got all the right screws. Because it's broken, but you don't want to break, something else. All right. So I'm gonna go behind the screen, and there you go. As you can see, you got the connection here for the screen. Now you're gonna grab one of these, and you gotta lift it up so you're able to reach all the way back to the connection here. And just be careful, and then just remove the connection with the same tape. I always like to put it here on the back cover. So as you can see, I already removed the screen. So now we gotta grab the model number for this screen and look it up on eBay or anywhere, Amazon. Like myself, I have my own vendors, and I send this to them, and they can just give me a price. Depending on the price, then I can just You know, anyways, before the client, I always look at the model number, but I also like to always remove the screen so I can get the right one. All right, so I'm just gonna order the screen. As soon as I get the screen, I'm gonna make another video, second part, how to install the screen and do testing. Thank you guys. You have a great day.